mint leaf. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Dipendo Acharya. Today I'll tell you one more very fancy mocktail. Mocktail name is PINA Green Island. How to make PINA Green Island? First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour like 25 ml of 25 ml of green apple crush. Then you have to pour 15 ml of colada syrup. That's it. Then you have to pour like 90 ml of pineapple juice. You have to pour 120 ml of pineapple juice. Then simply you have to shake all the ingredients. After that, take a tall glass, have some mint leaf and lime slices, and then pour all the ingredients. This is the PINA Green Island. Then simply you can garnish with some mint leaf. See, your mocktail is ready. Very simple mocktail, PINA Green Island with the combination of pineapple juice, green apple crush, and pina colada syrup and ice cream. You have to shake all the ingredients, and your mocktail will be ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Yes.